and today I'm going to show you a very quick and simple way to color grade. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so now that I got the clips, I'm going to show you what I mean. These clips were recorded in 4K 60 FPS and just need a little color. They're a little just blah. So we're going to come down here to color, okay? And then on the bottom left, you should see all these like scroller wheels and stuff. They look confusing, I know, but trust me, it's not hard. You're going to come down here to Koi Boost and crank that thing up all the way to 10. And now you're going to come to shadow, okay? And crank that thing to minus 20. And once you're done with that, come to saturation and crank that up to 70. Boom. That's literally all you gotta do. And it looks so much better. Okay, and now that I've shown you how to color grade, I'm going to put on screen how to do it one more time.